Alright guys, we're going to move on to automating our YouTube uploads. Okay, so to upload YouTube, we can even set it on a schedule. We can set it to do all automated, everything like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save that last lesson there so that we can come back to the comments. And perfect. YouTube automation, and great. So the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to go over to resource, create new resource, and we're going to do one called video uploads. Okay, we're going to add a new resource here. Next, we're going to choose files from directory. So what's going to happen is you're going to have all your YouTube videos in one folder, and it's going to go to that folder, select a video, and upload it. Okay, perfect. So files from a directory, that's how we're going to do this. Click on that, hit next. Only read. You can do read and delete lines. Lines will be deleted from file only after some time after scripture. So we'll just do only read for now. Use each line one time. Perfect. Finish. Great. YouTube automation. Hit record. Video uploads. I already have that. Great. Record. Okay. Cool. So I'm going to go and get rid of the YouTube comment stuff, and we're going to start brand new. We're still going to use these resources that we have because a lot of the stuff stays the same. So the first thing, we're going to keep the YouTube logging in, load the video list. We're going to get rid of all the stuff. So I'm going to click all of these other parts here that we made, and we're going to go ahead and delete it. Great. So the first steps here, we got it going in, logging in. Perfect. So let's go ahead, let's hit start, and let's get the bot to at least log in to our session here. Sign in. Here it comes. Types in my email. As you can see here, typing text. We already did this in the first lesson there. Great. Next. That's going to do password. Wait 3 seconds. Let it load. Here we go. Typing in password. Great. Next. And great. We're going to let the page load. Perfect. So the first thing in uploading is we're going to click on this little icon here that says create. So I'm going to press F1 and find the little icon, right click, move and click on element, make sure this is 1, hit OK. There it is. And now we're going to click upload video. Move, click on element, hit OK. So here we should add a wait full page load because as you see it did some processing there. Great. And now we're going to go and select files, move and click on element. That's simple. And now the bot says open file dialog. Browser Automation Studio needs file input. Use open file result action to set upload file. This action must be used before. So click on that, file path to upload, and we're going to load video uploads. Uploading files performed in 2 steps. So file path to set as a result. So we're going to do that, which is the folder, and hit OK. And now we need to do some tools here. Okay, so what we've done here is we've set the open file result. So it's going to open up this folder, the folder that we have our videos in, and it's going to automatically select the first result here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all our videos into one folder, and then this kind of settings here, open the file result, we're going to log what video that is, and you can see that it shows the very first result. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all of our videos into one folder, and it's going to go to the very first video in that folder each time to upload. Once we've uploaded that video, we're then going to move that to perhaps a done folder, or we're going to move it, I think we should create a folder called done, and that means we've already uploaded that video. So we're not going to delete them, but we will move them out of the uploads folder into the done folder. Okay, so with this setup here, it's going to automatically select the first result.